Hi, it's Janine Bosper here from Speech Perfect, and I have with me
Moana Robinson.
Sumiko is.
And between the three of us, we are running an amazing retreat in May 2023 in Airlie Beach, and it's all about your personal branding and how you can style yourself. Now, Moana, what's the one biggest takeaway that people are going to have when they'll be working with you in the styling?
Over the 3 days of the retreat, they'll actually find out their best colours, their best styles for their body shape, and they will really get to know their branding colours, because I believe that personal branding and business branding can be intertwined. So they'll walk away knowing their colours, knowing the best styles for them, and they will have those colours if they want to choose a logo, if they want to have something that represents themselves within their business.
And that is such an important factor, isn't it? Because one of the things I know when people are starting out particularly, they're looking as to what is their style and what is their brand, and knowing what colours, that's a great place to start, not only how you look. Yeah. What about you, Sumi? What are people going to take away from the retreat when they're working with you?
Yes, I will take a photo for the headshots in a beautiful tropical island resorts.
Oh, that's going to be awesome, because I want that sort of background on that too. Sumi. That's going to be amazing. And there's a storybook too, isn't there?
Yes, and we will put your photo in there and your pitch in a book, and you're ready to present professionally, and you can use for media release or whatever you need to use for.
Excellent. I know when I am being asked to present in different places, they ask me to send those type of things through with the bio and the photos and everything. So it's just a really good kick start for somebody in that professional space. And what I'll be doing is I'm going to help people find their story. Find a story about who they are and what they have done to get to where they are without them realizing that. I have so many people say, I do not have a story. But once you delve deep into it, you'll be amazed at how, and from that story, how that you can inspire the room. Whether it is for an hour presentation, a keynote, or even just your 60-second business pitch, you're going to feel so confident with what you have to say. So between the three of us, with Moana with styling and colour, and Sumi with her gorgeous photographs, and me with that confidence building with your voice, the personal branding and style retreat is going to be absolutely amazing, isn't it? So please, book now. Join us in May. But remember, numbers are limited and the tickets have been selling very, very quickly. We look forward to seeing you there in May at Airlie Beach with us. Bye-bye.